In this video, I'm going to tell you what the IBBA is, and I'm going to detail how you can use it as a broker or as someone looking to buy or sell a business. Let's get into it. IBBA stands for the International Business Brokers Association, and essentially what it is a non-profit association of business brokers started back in 1983, essentially to bring business brokers together across North America and now the world to basically have somewhere to do conferences, to network, and to essentially give a bit of legitimacy and a bit of vetting to the business broker world. The IBBA is somewhere where business brokers and business buyers and sellers can come to find vetted and qualified business brokers. The IBBA has over 2,800 members. Most of these business brokers are in the USA and Canada. Canada has its own chapter called the IBBA Canada. However, there are business brokers in the IBBA that are in Mexico, Australia, the UK, and Europe. The main purpose of the IBBA is essentially to be a directory to find great and vetted business brokers. The IBBA provides networking opportunities for brokers, qualification courses, educational courses and services, as well as just being a great place for brokers to come together, compare notes, and to chat. Now, although the IBBA is a non-profit organization, there is a membership fee for brokers. If you're looking to buy or sell a business, you can of course take a look at our company, E-commerce Brokers, where we help people buy and sell businesses. The link will be in the description below. If you're looking for a buy-side agent, someone to help you buy and source businesses and negotiate for you, you can also take a look at our buy-side services, Elite Acquirers, and book a call with myself or my team, and we can get you on a call with a broker within 24 hours. Now, if you want more info on the IBBA, take a look at their link in the description below as well. See you in the next video.